Akko, a city where history whispers through every wave. Cruising near Akko's ancient port walls, you're surrounded by centuries of seafaring stories and timeless beauty. The mighty stone fortifications, built by Crusaders and reinforced by Ottomans, rise proudly from the sea. As your boat glides past, the white lighthouse stands like a watchful guardian, marking the edge of the old city. Just beyond, the Grand Al-Jazir Mosque reveals its elegant dome and towering minaret, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture. Steps away, the Khan al-Umdan awaits, a vast stone courtyard once alive with merchants and camels. Akko's port is living history, blending sea, spirit, and stone into one unforgettable journey. Wander through narrow alleys echoing with ancient voices, feel the salty breeze of the Mediterranean, and witness fishermen hauling their daily catch. In Akko, every corner tells a timeless tale,